What's up all you Tapaholics? This is Paul here, aka Paulabusa, back with another video. Before we begin today's video, I just want to let you know that today's video is in no way sponsored by any company whatsoever, and it's gonna be a quick one because the offer lasts till today, and I just want to get the video out to you as soon as possible, so no complicated shots, no multi-cameras, no B-rolls, no nothing. So typically, I'm not your usual sunglasses kind of guy. I don't wear them outside when I'm out and about, but I need a good pair for driving. You know, when the sun rises and the sun sets, as you're driving, there's just these times of the day where the sun gets so glaring it's impossible to drive. A good pair would block out the UV lights, would make your vision better, easier for driving, and that's why I need a pair of sunglasses, and this came in handy. Right, I was passing through Capitol Optical yesterday and happened to find out that they're having a 50th anniversary sale and everything is up for grabs at 50% off. Your Raybans, Adidas, Oakleys, frames, glasses, they're all 50% off, and I went crazy and bought myself 3 pairs of Raybans yesterday. So I'm going to show you what I bought, and remember the offer lasts till today. So if you're interested to get yourself a pair of sunglasses, remember to head on down by today. They close at 9:30 Singapore time, so please do check it out. Now this is the one that I'm going to use for casual day-to-day use. These are the Justins. They're very simple in design. Comes with a very cool brown pouch that you see here. I can use them casually for any form of setting. I really love the simple design. Original price $280, and now they're only selling it at $140 after the 50% discount. I really love the Justins because of the simplicity. Branding is actually flush with the sides of the glasses, and it's not protruding. That's what I like about this particular pair. Simple, sleek design, branding not protruding, so it's not loud, very simple and good for casual use. This is polarized, and I'm gonna use it for driving, and they're primarily gonna sit in my car or if I go to the beach or something like that. I really like this pair. This is my favorite from the 3. In the cool pouch you get a cleaning cloth. You get another cleaning cloth from Rayban. This is by Capitol Optics, and then you've got some instruction manual inside. Next pair, now we've come to the higher end models of the Raybans themselves, and this is the Chromans, ranging from $170 to $180 a pair after the 50% discount. Now the higher range does come with the black pouch, as you can see here. These are lighter than the Justins. So the Justins are matte black, and I like matte. I don't like glossy frames because they're too loud. I like more subtle and classic designs, and I went for the matte frames. The Chromans, we've got a slightly glossier frame with mirrored lenses. It kind of gives you a yellow tint. That's right, it gives you a yellow tint to it. Really good for reading and looking at your smartphones because it gives you that tint and it makes it easier to read. If you look at the frame here, this logo itself is protruding. It is not flush with the side of the glasses. This is a classic design, but it has a sportier feel to it. This one can be used for sports and casual, so yeah, pretty good for $170. This is another pair of Chromans that I bought that is exactly the same as the previous pair. It's just that the frame itself is matte black. It is not glossy black. This is the glossy, and then we've got the matte black frame here for the other pair of Chromans. I don't like glasses with this kind of nose rest. They could be bent, and I just want a perfect fit. The Justins, they don't have the nose rest here. This one is matte black frame, which is one of my favorite. It comes with the blue lenses, but when you wear them, it's actually a bit yellowish. This is again polarized, and I love this as well. This is actually my second favorite pair compared to the other one with the glossy frame. They're all at 50% off. They're very worth it for this price at 50% off. Offer ends today. They close at 9:30. Go check it out. I'll see you in the next one. This is Paul here, signing off. Ciao.